Alright guys, so I just want to make a little short video about this issue right here where I have a little rip on my CV boot on the next to the hub next to the brake. So I was installing coilovers and pretty much the bottom of the stock shock hit down and hit this rubber thing, and the entire hub went down and it pulled out this axle, which it started leaking oil, which I was okay with because I could fill with no oil, just pop it back in. But then this piece right here is ripped and it flung like grease all over the wheel and everything. So yeah, all bad. So this shit was hard to take off, so it didn't work. And then the strut pretty much pierced this boot, and now the axle is leaking. Now the axle is out of the diff, so fluid drain. It's okay, learned. Fuck. What I decided to do was to buy some new boots for this one and this one, because you have to take this one off to get this tripod piece out right here. I don't want to touch it because it's pretty dirty, but this piece right here. And then you could take this one out and replace this one. So you have to replace both. The thing is that this is a black cup, so usually everything online is a green cup, which has a retaining clip. This one, there is no retaining clip, as you can see. So what I think is that there's these dowel pins where it's smooth edge inside the cup, but once they assemble the bearing, they punches these pins in. So there's a little small groove right here, so the bearing can come out. And there is no retaining clip, so that's why I can't use these new boots right here. I'll show you. It has grease and everything, the pins and everything. Like, you can't use this retaining clip anymore because it doesn't have it. It's the same boot right here. And I have another one for this one, but and I can't take it out because I don't want to damage it. So I might as well keep this one as just a spare. So I have to spend fucking $500 for this new one, and hopefully this one works. Yeah, don't make this mistake. Be careful when you install your coilovers because you don't want to spend $500. And I'm pretty sure this is only for the STIs that have the new black cup. The green one, you can definitely use this one and fix it because there is literally a retaining clip right there that you can visibly see. I literally spent like 4 hours trying to find the clip and I can't find it because realizing that this is a different cup. And I've seen online eBays of people just selling this cup and there's no groove inside. So I'm pretty sure there's a small like lip right there that you have to punch these holes out, and that's how you get it out. But I might as well just buy the new axle. I'm in a place where I can actually afford it because I actually set some money aside for some car parts, which emergencies, where this is. So when you install coilover, this shouldn't have to happen, but there's a bunch of people out there who had this happen where they actually ripped the CV boot, which I'm one of them. So yeah, this is brand new right here from Subaru. This was $418 or $15, and then I had to buy the new the nut right here that goes right here. So the total was $458. So it's a big pill to swallow for a mistake. So, but yeah, if you have the green one, you can obviously fix it. For this black one, I'm not sure how you're gonna fix it. I'm pretty sure you have to punch or sand in that. And Subaru says this is an NS part, so I don't know if it's not separate. That's what it means. But they told me, one dealership told me that I have to buy the entire assembly. But then on Subaru's website, this right here, for this one and this one, it's for the 21 STI as well. But I'm pretty sure they're referring to the green cup, which this one is not. And they said that you have to buy this part all together, so you can't buy these boots. So on Subaru's website says that you can do separate, but from the dealership you said you had to buy the entire thing. So I should have done this in the beginning. I literally spent, this one was $48, the other one was $37. Then I bought a cabin filter, so like almost $100 on this one. So it's like, shit, I'm deep in like $700. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna return this. I'm probably gonna keep it just in case I have one of the other axles. But yeah, now I have a spare one and this one. So I'm just gonna put this one in, fill up with some more gear oil because I have some new Moto 800V or Gear 300 oil. And yeah, so don't make this mistake. If you have a, I believe it's a 2015 plus or 2018, I'm not sure, but any STI that has the black axle, you can't really fix it from my understanding. But if you have the green one, you can definitely use these kits and fix it. But yeah, don't make that mistake where I literally spent like 4 or 5 hours just looking at videos and trying to find the fucking retaining clip. And then I came to the conclusion that it's these pins, so yeah. But after this, I'm gonna get in alignment and get my car all settled now. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you're driving your dream car.